A question that often comes up is whether severe weather conditions can affect the performance of fire-stopping products, and it is a very valid question. Often fire-stopping products are installed at very early stages in the project, particularly things like the Quelcast cast-in fire collar, installed when the concrete slabs are being poured, which means that the product is open to the elements, can be exposed to freezing temperatures, rain, high UV, etc. And one of the things that it's important to look for when choosing fire-stopping products is a durability rating. So the majority of our products here at Quelfire have been durability tested, which means that the reactive components of the products are exposed to those external weather conditions and tested to see if there is any adverse effect on the performance of the product. And most of our products that we have tested carry Type X durability, which is the highest durability rating that you can get. It means that the products can be exposed to those external conditions, freezing temperatures, high UV, rain, even salt spray, and will not be affected in the event of a fire. They will still perform exactly as they should do. So yeah, if you are looking for products, make sure they do have Type X durability wherever possible to ensure that they will still perform even if they are exposed to external weather conditions.